What's up, guys? Matt here with Matco Metalworks, and got a cool little video here for you. Just gonna explain to you real quick what we got going on, and then I'll let you take a peek at it. But what this is, the local soil department for our county had a roll, and what they call it is BIOMAT, and basically it's like a landscape fabric. It's probably some other names for it, but basically it's kind of what you put down under your flower beds to stop grass from growing, weeds from growing up. You put mulch on top of it. Well, they also use it for farms, and a lot of local farmers come by and get it, and they buy it by the foot, and they use it to put gravel on top of around, anywhere they've got cows, like around gates or driveways, stuff like that. So but as you see on the floor there, it's a big roll. It comes when it's new. It's a new roll. It comes on like a cardboard tube, basically just like you see on carpet, something like that. And it's about 12 feet wide, and it comes in a roll. I don't know how long the roll is, but I know the diameter is about 20 inches. But it's not very heavy. It only weighs probably 150 pounds. But what they were having to do, in order to cut it and measure it and everything, they would actually have to take it out the door there into the parking lot and roll it out and measure it by the foot to sell it to the customers. And so what they wanted, they had this idea of making a rack to put on the wall. So they came to us, asked us what we could do, and so we designed this rack. Basically, it's got two pieces, two wall mount brackets that we bent to a 90 degree, just some 3/16 plate, cut them out on the plasma table, put like a little horseshoe shape in it, and that's what we're working on. You see here, I've got the Bosch laser level set up, and I love that thing. It's got an auto mode where it auto levels itself. I've got it set up on a tripod, and that way we don't have to measure anything. We can get it perfectly level on the wall. So what we'll do is we'll mount the first one over on the right side, then we'll measure over and mark for the second one on the other side. But we're actually having to drill all the way through this block wall and put backing plates on the rear side, which is in the office. So we're having to kind of be careful not to blow out the wall too bad. If you drill too big, it will blow out the back. So what we do is take an 8-inch, or actually I think it was about a 10 or 12 inch, because the block's 8. So about a 10 or 12 inch bit. It's like a, 5/16 or 3/8. Drill through all the way through with that. Then we'll come back with our 3/4 inch bit, drill one side, go around to the office and drill the other side. That way you're not blowing through and causing damage to the block. But so what we're doing here is just marking the first one. We've got it leveled, and we've got a piece of pipe that we will use to slide through the actual roll itself, and then it'll just set on that rack, and you'll be able to just pull it out, measure it, and you'll see here in just a minute how we managed to remedy that problem of measuring. They will no longer have to measure with a tape measure or ruler or anything. We had a cool little idea for that, so keep watching. Well, there you go, guys. I really appreciate you watching. Hope you watched all the way to the end to see the finished product. That was something just a little different, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Share with all your friends, like, subscribe. If you got any questions or comments, please feel free to ask. I'll respond as quick as I can. I'll answer any questions that you may have, and we'll see you on the next video.